Lisa here. So many times people will ask me, what's the best time management app? And my answer is always, it depends, because it does depend. It depends on what problem you're trying to solve. Or as I say with my clients, what's your productivity bottleneck? What's the thing that's stopping you from getting everything you want to get accomplished each day? When we can figure out what that is, then we can find the right app to help support you as you fix that biggest bottleneck. So I reached out then and asked my clients, hey, what are some of your favorite apps? And what problem do they solve? And here's what I've got for you. If your problem is a lot of stuff, a lot of tasks, a lot of projects, a lot of steps, and you're working with a team, which could just be at least one other person a couple hours a week, and you're struggling to keep it all organized and all managed. Here are a couple options that either we use here at Impactive Strategies or that my clients use. Monday.com, Asana, that's what we use and love, Trello, ClickUp, and Hive. Hive, I'm not familiar with. All the others I've seen in use and highly suggest that you check them out. If your productivity bottleneck is that you're struggling to manage all the pieces without something falling through the cracks. If you would like more help figuring out where are some of your time thieves, where are some of the places you're losing your opportunity to be really effective and really efficient, I would love to support you in that journey. Check out our Time Thief Eliminator. It's the first step to figure out where are all the places that you're losing efficiency, and then creating a step towards how do you fix that. The link for that is below.